Welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to type rupee symbol in keyboard in Word. Let me open my on-screen keyboard. So Microsoft Word has a built-in feature that instantly converts code number into symbol. So open your Word document and type 20B9, exactly where you want the symbol to go, and make sure to use a capital B, and then immediately press Alt X all together on your keyboard. This is Alt and this is X. You need to press both keys all together. Then the code will convert into rupee symbol. Moreover, if you have a full keyboard with a separate number pad on the right hand side, you can use this universal Windows trick. For this, you need to hold down the Alt key. This is the Alt key on the left side of your keyboard. And then while holding it, you need to type 8377 using only the numeric keypad on the right side, and then you need to release this Alt key and you will see the rupee symbol immediately appeared up. So with these two methods you can easily type rupee symbol in keyboard in Word document. If you think this video is helpful, please support my channel. Thanks for watching.